You cannot tell me this is not my hair. I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company MYFIRSTWIG. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. And y'all, we're going a little bit shorter. Recently, I did a highlighted layered look, and if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to make sure to leave that linked also. But they went ahead and turned it into a bob, okay? And why not? It's spring season. It's time to go a little bit shorter, okay? For my ladies who don't like all that hair during the hotter months. But this is what your unit comes in. They give you a wig cap, a rat tail comb, and then a bag to store your unit in. And then of course you get your wig information. Full layered Yaki cut bob wig. This one also has some curtain bangs in the front. This one is 10 inches in length. This one also comes with your pre-cut lace, your extra deep plucked hairline, and your deep bleach knots. Now this is also a cap size one. I do have a small head, and usually their cap sizes fit me perfectly. This is what the parting space area looks like. So you get a very good amount of lace to work with. You get a comb on each side. Also get a comb in the nape area. You get your drawstring, and you get some adjustable straps for extra security to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Also forgot to mention that this is their Indian hair, and this is 130% in density. This company does tint the lace on their units. I'm gonna probably go ahead and add just a very small amount of tint spray off of camera, and then we're gonna try this unit on to see what it looks like. Now, if you don't want to add tint spray, you do not have to, okay? It should still blend in perfectly, but I like to add a little tint spray just because when I'm wearing a unit for the week, I don't have to go in and keep adding powder or anything. So it just kind of helps to make sure that everything blends down very well. So this is what it is looking like on right now. You could definitely see the layers throughout the wig. I know it probably looks a little crazy right now, but you already know I'm gonna make sure I get this together. Okay, this is straight out of the box, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I can see the layers all throughout this hair. As far as the hairline goes, I'm gonna grab my comb because I feel like you can't really see it because the hair is just kind of flowing to the front. But look at that. Look how natural that looks. They did a very, very, very good job with plucking out this hairline. So I shouldn't have to go in and do anything. It's the same along this side. And I did end up putting on just a small coat of my tint spray, not too much, because of course when I add my product it's going to darken the lace up a little bit. But I think they did a really good job. You can't even really see the lace. Because this is a 13 by 6, I am going to have to end up trimming some of the lace off on the side so that it can sit above my ear. And then of course this is what the other side looks like. It looks really good. Some of that hair is falling underneath the lace. I'm going to make sure to get that up out of the way. It does already come as a middle part. However, you don't have to keep this as a middle part. If you want to part this as a side part, you can. And I'm definitely going to make sure to show you guys the middle and the side part. It looks very, very good. But that looks like scalp. And I'm not going to let nobody tell me different because that looks good. Of course, the length on this unit is perfect. I do not mind this length. I love the longer length, so I am very excited to see how this one is going to look after I style this all up. So let's go ahead and get into it. I think I actually might keep this without any adhesive spray or anything because it's already fitted pretty well to my head and the lace is laying very flat. I just need to cut this lace off on the side. Now let's go ahead and get into styling this unit, and of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks, and also so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this bob wig. I am so glad that I decided to show you guys the side part because it looks real good. This unit was very easy to install. I just added a little bit of my olive oil mousse to the very front of the hairline. And when I say glueless, okay, it's glueless, okay? Pick it up, put it back down, and we good. I didn't have to go in and pluck out any hair at the front of the hairline. The only thing I did to the front of the hairline was add just a very small coat of my tint spray. I only put powder into the parting space area to just kind of help open it up a little bit more. You guys also seen me trim down the sides so that it could sit exactly where it needs to be. You can bobby pin the side down. What I like to do is just kind of pull a little bit of hair up and then add the mousse right there and let it sit and then comb it out so it can look soft. But as you can see, it's still glueless. So you don't have to worry about that really showing unless it's a windy day, then I suggest you bobby pin it down. But it looks good, it's not showing at all, and I'm happy about it. Added a little bit of wax at the top of the unit just to kind of help with a little bit of the flyaways. Surprisingly, I did not get a lot of flyaways when it comes to this unit. Even when I moved it to the side part, I feel like it still looked pretty good. This takes heat well at the top. It's not a lot of density. Worry about it being too much to flatten out. Also, when I moved it to the side, I feel like it still did a really good job. I went in with my flat iron and I just lightly curled the hair. I did not curl it up too much. However, if you want to, you can go in with like a tighter curl pattern, and that's just going to make the layers pop even more. But you can really see the layers as I turn around, and I use my comb and my fingers to kind of showcase what it looks like. I think they did a really good job with this. If you're not a fan of heavy layers, then check out other units on their website because they got tons of bobs. I mean, bob galore. You cannot go wrong with a bob on their website. So I feel like you're still going to be good. Now, like I told you guys, I did review this in a longer length. I believe it was like 16. Like I said, I'll leave that link down below, but I love that length. But this This bob is perfect. The side part is actually my favorite. Don't get me wrong, the middle part is really nice, but I love the side part. It just looks so natural, and how everything is blended down well. Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. Look like I grew out my pixie and I grew it into a nice bob. It is nice and fluffy. You guys know I love me a Yaki textured unit. So this is just right up there. It looks really, really good. I'm loving the length on this. The density is not too much. I told y'all this is 130% in density, and I think that this density is perfect. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got just a very small amount of shedding and tangles. I'm not really getting any at the moment. Keep in mind, as Yaki starts to get older, the ends will need a little bit of TLC because I feel like they start to get dried out. But so far, so good. This hair feels really nice and soft. I don't really have any complaints when it comes to this. You guys know with their capsize ones, it fits me pretty well. I don't have any issues with that. So 2 thumbs up for me. I like it. I love it. And I like how natural it looks. This is beginner friendly and you don't have to do too much to it, which is an absolute plus. Perfect for the springtime and the summertime, especially if you want a little bit of colors and you want a little bit of movement. Great for everyday wear, office, church. I mean, just put it on, okay? Put it on. What you guys think about this unit? Once again, are you feeling the middle part or the side? Please do not forget to share this video and show me some love, and I'll see you guys next time.